Hello friends, if you want to make more than the $10,000 per month, then you have to learn some skills. We will show you what you have to learn and what you the best option to grow yourself. This is a very huge amount of course. Then you can learn in one time. Then you can grow your online income with six-figure online system with proof and all the topics what you want to learn with how you can make money online. In this you can make if in this you can learn how to make money online with the free with the in that first week or 14 days you can make money online with this method only. First of all you have to see that the proof. Here the proof, and we can go down and see all the proofs, all the comments. They joined a bit. These are the people who joined and making money online till right now also. They all they all also mm, they all making money right now. If you want to make money online, then this is the best course you have to learn and subscribe with that. If you have any of doubts how to you can make money, then we will tell you. This courses help you to make money online with some of the special courses like facebook Facebook affiliate marketing, or Facebook and Facebook advertisement skills, or email marketing, and more ways you can promote your affiliate marketing products and lot of things also. And how you can start with this. In this you can learn how you can make money online with a nice blueprint, and this website will show you how you can grow your website with the nice way. I can start with this is the nice process of making money online. What the product is going to sell you with so many different options. You can make money online with this also. There are so many people are making money online with this, but you can learn from here. See, these are the proof our people are making money online. See the screenshots. If you want to more, I give you the link. You go ahead and check this, and this is a nice way to make money online. And if you want to more questions, then with this, then click the link, ask the question below in this website. They will answer you, and how you can make money with this is the straight option how you can make money. I would tell you straight point. There are the two types of making money online: affiliate marketing and blogging. If you want to sell any product with anybody, you have to go to the customer. Then how you can go to the customer? One was the free way, another was paid way. You can do email marketing or social media marketing, or so many other paid advertisement. They will teach you how you can grow initially your Facebook, your Facebook advertisement, or Google advertisement, Bing advertisement. There are so many advertisement groups that you can make money online from that, and they will give you live training section, a test model to you how you can promote for that, and you will get a nice amount. You can make money with nice amount of money in the first week also. You can you can do sales or 3 sales with instantly first 2 weeks only. In this way you can get the credit also, Facebook ad credits also, and so many different ways you can make money online. These are all the secret tips you will access from here. If you want the link, I will give the link in the description. Go ahead and click the link and enjoy your course.